Fully vaccinated with a positive diagnosis of COVID-19. That is the story shared by 333 people in Travis County since the beginning of the year.
They are the breakthrough cases, just a small fraction of the more than 670,000 people in Travis County who are now fully vaccinated. KXAN's Jennifer Sanders spoke with two of them and explains why they both have the same message about getting the vaccine.
Two fully vaccinated strangers with a similar story.
Nearly in tears in disbelief.
We'll start with Jenny Perez, who tested positive for COVID last month after being fully vaccinated. This is her second bout with the virus. She immediately got tested after she started feeling familiar symptoms.
The second time there was fever, that body ache, and that the breathing difficulty was by far the worst symptom that I had to deal with.
After getting COVID once, she's been very careful in public, especially to protect her 3-year-old son who tested negative. This time, Jenny didn't lose taste or smell and says the virus left sooner.
The first time, it took about a month for me to test negative for COVID, but the second time it was within a week.
She was surprised to learn about her diagnosis, just like the Pompa family. Last week, Regina's husband went to the ER for an unrelated illness and tested positive for COVID. He started feeling minor symptoms 3 days before.
He was complaining of a sore throat, coughing, headache, runny nose.
Regina tested negative for the virus. She says her husband, who was fully vaccinated in January, is having a mild case that feels like allergies or a summer cold. Doctors are seeing those less severe symptoms or none at all in these breakthrough cases. But we wanted to understand why and how it happens.
We know it's related to your age and your underlying health conditions and how well your immune system is working.
Jenny and Regina agree it could have been worse and have the same message. Get the vaccine and get tested if you have symptoms. Jennifer Sanders, KXAN News.
Local leaders in Travis County say COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations have nearly doubled following the 4th of July holiday. Austin Mayor Steve Adler says most of the people who have been admitted to hospitals are not vaccinated.
I understand a lot of people wanted to wait to see whether or not it was safe based on going to more and more people. And what we know after this vaccine's gone to millions and millions of people around the world is that it is exceedingly safe and extraordinarily effective.
According to the COVID-19 dashboard, there are 137 people hospitalized with COVID-19 in Travis County. 47 people are in the ICU, and there are 707 active cases. Mayor Adler, the Travis County judge, and local health leaders will give us an update on COVID-19 coming up tomorrow. But here's a look at where COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations stand statewide. As you can see, they are up 35% in just the last week.